Today we are going to see permeability in beetroot cells. For that we need beetroot cells, cork borer, scale, thermometer. For measuring the temperature, and then knife, blade, measuring cylinder, test tube and alcohol. These are the materials we need for performing the practicals. To start with the practical, what we have to do is, we will make beetroot cylinders with the help of this cork borer. This is a cork borer. You pierce it so that it comes out through the other way. Remove it and take out the cylinder in a beaker containing water. We are getting beetroot cylinders like this. You make 3 to 5 pieces of beetroot cylinders. Second cylinder also I have taken. See, when it is immersed in water, it becomes colorful because the cell sap is damaged, cell sap vacuole is damaged, cell sap oozes out of the cell, so it becomes colorful. So we have to wash it nicely so that we will be getting beetroot cylinders like this. We will get beetroot cylinders like this. It should not leave or it should not give out any colorful substances. After that, what you have to do is, you take one of the cylinder and take its measurement. You cut it into pieces of 1 centimeter length. Measure the length. First of all, it should be smooth like this. Cross section should be proper. Measure 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter and then cut into piece. Like this. Use this as a model and you go on making pieces. Alright, like that you make nearly around 8 pieces of beetroot cylinders. So we will be making the beetroot cylinders and you wash it nicely in water, and here are our cylinders, washed cylinders, measured cylinders. Now we are going to give temperature treatment to these cylinders, to this beetroot cylinders. In the first test tube, I have taken 5 ml of ordinary water, or you can use distilled water. In that you put 2 cylinders. The normal temperature in this lab is around 30 degree. So in 30 degree I am putting 2 cylinders. We are giving temperature treatment to this. This is 30 degree. In the second test tube, I am putting 2 cylinders. 1, 2 cylinders. This I am going to keep it in ice. Here the temperature is 0 degree. Alright. And the third test tube, I am going to give very high temperature treatment. 2 cylinders I have taken and we are going to place it in the water bath. Just you see, here we have got the water bath. Here the temperature is around 70 degree. I placed it. Alright. And the fourth test tube, it is filled with alcohol. Fourth test tube is filled with alcohol. In this also I am putting 2 cylinders just to check in alcohol what happens to the permeability. So this is our fourth test tube. And we have to give the temperature treatment for 10 to 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, if you are observing the result, means we will get the result like this. Already I have performed this experiment. This is in ice cold water. See, I am placing it back. This is normal temperature. This is ice. And next one temperature treatment one also I will take. Then alcohol one. Now we will observe the result. This I placed it 10 minutes before only. This is the normal temperature. In this little bit of color has come. This is ice cold one. It is transparent as such. Color did not develop. And this is 70-degree temperature treatment. Color developed nicely. Leaching occurs. Permeability occurs. It crosses the membrane. Pigments crosses the membrane and reaches the water. And this is treatment with alcohol. You can see slowly the permeability increases and it also develops the color. From this you can say, if you are giving the temperature treatment, means permeability increases and color develops in the water. When we treat it with alcohol, that time also color develops. So permeability increases with the temperature. Permeability depends upon the chemicals that we are using also. And this is normal one, no color development. You can compare it also. And here ice one, and then temperature treatment one, and the next one is alcohol treated beetroot cells. Alcohol treated, temperature treated, ice cold treatment, normal one, normal temperature, that is 30 degree. Thank you, sir.